Aloha, everybody. I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers of America. I just got off the phone with a client of mine. Asked me a very interesting question. He says, "Hey, Gokul, how do I know that it's time for me to sell my business?" And I'm a seller of companies as well. I buy and sell companies. I build them and I sell them. So I've been in that seat many, many, many times in my career, and I can give you a lot of technical reasons as to why you should sell. Like, you're losing market share, there's too much technology, uh, you're burnt out. There's a lot of technical reasons, but let me just tell you from my own personal experience. Um, the last business I sold was a pool contracting business here in Orlando, and you know, for months when I was alone driving in my car or my truck, I knew in my gut that I wasn't the best shepherd for the business, for my employees, for my customers. My managers would come to me with great ideas how to expand the business, and I just didn't have the energy or the motivation to do it. And to me, that is the telltale sign that it's time for you to exit. It's time to get to the next chapter, and also it's time for someone who's perhaps more motivated uh, to take that business to the next level, to produce, to give opportunities to your employees and to your managers so they can continue to grow, right? So that is the more simple answer. When you're driving alone, you know it in your heart. Hey, I wasn't motivated like I was 3 years ago or 5 years ago. You may get some thoughts like, uh, hey, everybody wants to expand, and I don't want to go after that big, large loss, or I don't want to get into uh, full service, or whatever it is, the plans for expansion. And that's when you really know that it's time to exit your business. All right. Thanks for listening. Until then, I'll see y'all soon. Bye.